From a very tough week
to sports,
we've got the scoop. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Ready? Begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Centurions. I'm Kate Bustamante.
And I'm Victor G.
Today is Friday, March 30th.
Yeah, it is. We all know that, Kate.
Today we have Dr. Swanson here in studio to share something with us about this week.
Okay, good morning, Centurions. I wanted to come on to share two things with you today. Number one, I am so proud of you. I am so proud of our Century family and the way that you all have supported one another, as well as the families of Pedro and Jason. I will never forget this week. Number two, you may begin seeing some of the other students from the accident soon, whether outside of school or perhaps here at school after the break. Here is the request for you. Don't ask them questions about what happened. Even if you consider yourself a good friend of one of them, just wait. When they are ready, they will talk if they would like to. However, we need to be sensitive to who they are and what they experienced. Thank you for that. I am so proud of you all. Have a good week off next week. Thank you.
The Century agenda, the thing that you're supposed to be using to keep track of homework assignments, test dates, project due dates, stuff like that. Well, the administration is planning for its replacement next year, and they want your input. Not just your input, but your artwork too. That's right, you have the chance to have your artwork on each and every agenda next year. Sound legit? Here, watch this short video on the Century Pride Contest.
Hey you, yeah you, tired of your agenda's old cover? Go from this to this. Introducing your new agenda cover. It will make your agenda shiny and new. Tons of covers you will love. Nah, just kidding. There will only be one cover, but that one could be your masterpiece. Sign up for the agenda cover competition. Your artwork will be on the next agenda cover. All you need to do is go on Century's website. Click on the program's link in the navigation bar at the top of the page. Click on Centurion Club. Then click on the spot link on the left side of the page. Scroll down to find the link to the Centurion Pride Contest. You will need to be logged into your SAUSD Learned account in order to submit the form. Hurry, the contest ends on Friday, April 13. You will have spring break to work on it, so don't forget.
The deadline to submit your artwork by using the link we just showed you is Friday, April 13th. That's the Friday we return from spring break. Just think, you could say you're a published artist before you leave high school. Pretty cool, don't you think?
Today we will have two co-principals for a day, meaning visitors become the principals for the day. The two people coming are Debbie Wells and Luisa Ruiz. They are from the Kiwanis Club in Santa Ana and are supporters of Century.
Here in studio are our two principals for the day, so you can get to know them.
Hello, Centurions. I'm here with Luisa Ruiz and Debbie Wells. So, why did you want to be principal for the day?
I wanted to learn the role of the principal, but I visited Century all the time, and I love the students. So that was one of the highlights of, one of my bucket lists. I wanted to do principal. I wanted to do it here.
And what has impressed you this morning of Century?
So far, we've had a chance to see some of the special education classes in the early college. I'm very impressed with what you guys are doing here. Just the fact that kids at a freshman age are already taking college courses, that's really exciting, I have to tell you. Thank you.
Can you tell me about the Kiwanis Club?
Yes, it's a service club that is going to hold its 100th year soon, right, Debbie? We are very proud of that, and we are all committed to helping community, to helping schools, to helping students, and we want to pay it forward by students also going out to the community and doing community service. We are all about that. What do you think, Debbie?
Absolutely, and this is one of my favorite schools. Luisa introduced me to your school and some of the things that you do here from a community service standpoint. That's what's so important about what you guys are doing and what we do at Kiwanis. So thank you so much for everything that you do and what you're doing for the people of the world. Thank you.
Well, thank you for coming, and back to the anchors.
Thank you for having us.
So crazy weather we're having, huh?
Yeah, you know, it's called global warming, you know.
Global warming.
Yeah, and should I mention you should also join the Flat Earth Society, Kate?
What is that?
You haven't heard about them? They meet all around the globe, you know? No.
Does that have to do with Mother Nature or something?
Somewhat, Kate, somewhat.
I knew it. Mr. Kush taught me well then.
Yeah, and moving on to what happened yesterday at Open House. Here at Century, we like to thank all the clubs and teachers who showed off to what Century has to offer. It was a great day, and all the parents were amazed with the school and the work students have done. Here we have a video to show off what you missed if you did not come.
Hi, my name is Rosa. I'm here from Minty Scoop, where today is open house, and it's way different from back to school. So there's going to be parents and students, you know, going to show the classes around. We're going to show you some performance from the dance team, Latin, cheer, and the Polynesians.
If we do that, all will be well. Come, sit down. Every mother thought of you.
The one and only Powder Puff game is May 4th against Santa Ana, and there are still slots for players. Ask Mrs. Yeager for more information. It will be an amazing thing to experience, so make sure to go sign up.
Attention all Centurions. The 2018 football team will be having tryouts right after spring break. It will be on Mondays from 3 to 4:15 and Thursdays from 4 to 5:15. There are no other opportunities to experience in front of 2,000 fans under the lights. Most only have 4 years of their life to put on pads and play tackle football. The game is safer today than ever before. Come on, be part of this amazing team and have the experience you will remember for the rest of your life. All players that want to play in 2018 are required to attend our tryout practices. If you want baseball, volleyball, or tennis, you will try out after your season ends. Our first scrimmage is August 17. Spring and summer practice will be Monday through Thursday from May 7th to June 28th. If you have not played a sport this year, you need to complete a physical packet to try out. Please see Coach Lapik in room 5209 to get a physical packet for more information.
Key Club meets today after school at room 5111.
The City of Santa Ana has opened its recruitment summer student internship for high school students to experience the real-world government. There's a job bulletin available to students. The deadline to apply is April 6, 2018 at 5:30 p.m., which is next week. Let Ms. Vasquez know if you have any questions or concerns. And attention all team members. Please come right after school to Mr. Newsbickle's room to pick up your permission slip and paperwork for the UCI race.
The award-winning eBusiness Academy is accepting open applications this week for both freshmen and sophomores for our program for next year. If you want to be a part of the great 18-year tradition and learn about careers in business, earn 12 units college credit, travel to places like San Francisco and New York, and compete against other school and win team awards, most students can be in the eBusiness Academy and also be in other special programs at Century at the same time. Our program is recognized across the state and nation as one of the top high school business programs. Our seniors and graduates are or will be attending some of the great schools around the state and nation, including UC Berkeley, UCLA, UC Santa Barbara, UCI, Cal State Fullerton, Cal Poly Pomona, Chapman University, and Allegheny College. The time is right to make the right choice. If you're interested in being a part of the eBusiness Academy family, please stop by room 433 all this week and apply.
As you all know, today, 1 week ago, occurred a fatal car accident in which we lost 2 Centurions.
Yes, sadly, it was Jason Anguiano and Peter Fuentes.
To commemorate their passing, today there will be a walk near the location of the accident, which is at 15901 through 1599 Road, Irvine, California, 92872.
It starts at 3:30, in which the walk will proceed to St. Anne's Church, which is at 1344 South Main Street, Santa Ana, California, zip code 92707.
It is a lengthy walk, so plan ahead and be prepared. If you are willing to join, per the family's request, please bring an LED tail light, tea light candle, and some for others if you can.
The walk ends at St. Anne Church, which you are welcomed afterward to join the Mass, which will be held at 5 p.m. Again, the church address is 1344 South Main Street, Santa Ana, California, zip code 92707.
Please join if you can and have a safe and peaceful walk. But remember,
Always do the one time.
for the one time.
Bye.